Renault has introduced the new Kiger in India, with prices starting from 6,29,995 rupees, according to information available on the company's official website. This latest version of the 5-seater SUV features a fully revamped design, highlighted by bold new front, muscular shoulders, and a dynamic, sporty stance. The new Kiger comes equipped with full 360 degrees LED lighting, including daytime running lamps, headlamps, tail lamps, new LED fog lamps, and Tri-Octa Pure Vision LED lights. It also features 40.64 cm diamond-cut evasion alloy wheels, front and rear skid plates, roof bars, and C-shaped signature LED tail lamps. With a ground clearance of 205 mm and low gear mode, the SUV is designed to handle both city driving and occasional off-road use. In terms of dimensions, the Kiger stands 1,605 mm tall and 3,990 mm long. It has a body width of 1,536 mm, which extends to 1,912 mm when the outside rearview mirrors (ORVMs) are fully deployed. The SUV is powered by a 100 PS turbocharged engine that accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in 11 seconds. A 72 PS engine option is also available. The compact and VT-optimized engine design supports fuel efficiency while enhancing interior space. A linear torque curve contributes to smooth and consistent power delivery. The Kiger offers Eco, Normal, and Sport drive modes, which adjust throttle response, steering weight, and CVT gear ratios depending on driving conditions. This flexibility allows for balanced performance across urban and highway settings. A factory-fitted CNG kit is also available, offering a cost-effective and lower-emission alternative. It enables switching between fuel types and supports longer driving range with fewer refueling stops. Safety features in the new Kiger include 6 airbags, electronic stability program, ESP, tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, hill start assist, auto headlamps, rain-sensing wipers, and cruise control. The SUV is built on a lightweight high-tensile steel body structure that enhances impact resistance. Additional standard safety features include ABS, EBD with brake assist, traction control, and pedestrian protection, contributing to occupant safety. With these updates, the Renault Kiger adds a range of new features and design changes while continuing to offer multiple powertrain options and safety technologies tailored to varied driving needs. Your support means everything. Like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. We'll be back soon with another amazing video. Until then, stay tuned.